Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Again, I will come with a new topic of class 11 political science from the book Political Theory from the chapter 5, that is rights. In my previous video, you already get an idea about the political rights, that is the first part of the legal rights. In this video, I will explain you about the types of the civil rights, that is the second part of the the second part of the legal rights. So let's see that what are came under the civil rights. See, the civil rights, you know that the civil rights means, civil means society, right? So the civil rights are the rights of individual of receive equal treatment in a number of settings. सोसाइटी में रहने के लिए हर बंदे को, हर व्यक्ति को कुछ राइट्स चाहिए होता है. ऐसा राइट्स जिसमें आपको इक्वल ट्रीटमेंट मिले. ओके, इक्वल ट्रीटमेंट मीन्स जो आपको चाहिए, जो आपकी ज़रूरत है वो आपको मिले. सो द सिविल राइट्स आर द राइट्स ऑफ इंडिविजुअल who can receive equal treatment in number of settings, and also it is legally protected by the government. The civil rights is also known as the rights of the citizen, whether towards going towards the political and social freedom or the equality. So civil right is the right which an individual earn to live in a society and to use it in the society by that getting an equal number of facilities, which is not discriminated and which is legally protected, which features are legally protected. Okay, now let's see that what are the types. The first type is freedom from arbitrary arrest. Arbitrary means ऐसे ही. So a person, any person of the society, they cannot be arrested randomly. Okay, they cannot be arrested, they cannot be kept into the behind the jail without any proper logic, without any proper that search warrant, or without any proper permission. No one can arrested any person. किसी को भी अरेस्ट करने से पहले जो अरेस्ट करने आ रहे हैं, यानी दैट इज़ पुलिस और समवन एल्स, कोई भी किसी को भी कहीं से भी उठा के नहीं ले जा सकते हैं, कहीं से भी उनको अरेस्ट नहीं किया जा सकता है. अरेस्ट के लिए एक प्रॉपर प्रोसीड्यूर है जो हर किसी को मानना पड़ता है और हर इम्पॉर्टेंट प्रोसीड्यूर के साथ ही उसका काम करना पड़ता है. एंड ऑल्सो नो पर्सन कैन बी पनिश फॉर द सेम क्राइम मोर देन वंस. अगर आपने किसी का खून किया है, अगर वो एक जन का खून किया, तो भी जो भी आपको जो सज़ा मिलने वाली है 5 जन का करने से भी सेम सज़ा मिलने वाली. यानी ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर फांसी की सज़ा हो एक के लिए तो आपको 5 के लिए 5 बार फांसी हो, ऐसा तो हो नहीं सकता. इसीलिए द नो पर्सन दे आर पनिश्ड फॉर द सेम क्राइम मोर देन वंस. एक से ज़्यादा बार सेम क्राइम के लिए आपको पनिशमेंट नहीं मिलेगी. एंड नो वन कैन फोर्स टू बी एविडेंस अगेंस्ट देमसेल्फ. आप किसी को जोर नहीं कर सकते कि वो आपके खिलाफ गवाही दे, या कोई भी पुलिस या any person, legal person, they cannot force any person to give or to that produce in the court for going against as a evidence. Okay, so हम किसी को भी फोर्स नहीं कर सकते कि आप किसी और के खिलाफ जाके कोर्ट में गवाही दो. So these are the things what we get in the freedom from the arbitrary arrest. Now come to the rule of the law and the equality before the law. These things I hope you get an idea from the article 14, because that in the article in the article 14 you already get this rule, that is equality before the law. That means equality before the law. What is the equality before the law? That means every person is equal in the that in the eye of the law. Everyone is equal in the eye of the law. No discrimination will be done. Now rule of law means what? Rule of law means one law for all. Means एक ही नियम हर किसी के लिए, without any discrimination on the basis of caste, creed, language, religion, etc. So everyone is equal in in the eye of the law. So what he is saying, that the state should be provided some kind of law which is equal for everywhere and which is similar for everyone throughout the country. No one will be discriminated, and this should be no disparity between rich and poor. गरीब या अमीर में कोई भी डिफ्रेंशिएट नहीं कर सकते. हर किसी के लिए, अगर आपने एक ही तरह की क्राइम किया है, सिचुएशन भी एक ही है, तो फिर आपका पनिशमेंट भी एक ही होना चाहिए। लेकिन हाँ, अगर आपका क्राइम सेम है लेकिन सिचुएशन डिफरेंट है तो फिर आपका पनिशमेंट डिफरेंट होगा। इफ़ आई एम गिविंग वन एग्जांपल, लाइक सपोज देयर इज अ टू पीपल, suppose there is a two people A and B. Okay, A killed a person. Okay, A killed a person on behalf of their self defense. Okay, A ने एक व्यक्ति को मार दिया है लेकिन वो अपने बचाव के लिए उसने उस व्यक्ति को मार दिया है, बट बी इज किल्ड अ पर्सन फॉर देयर ओन इंटरेस्ट. ओके, फॉर देयर ओन इंटरेस्ट. सो now you tell me that is that situation a same, crime is same, because in both the cases one person has been killed, but is that situation a same? No, absolutely not, because in one they are that they are doing this work, doing this crime for self defense, and work is doing for another one is doing this work as for their own interest, for their own purpose. So in that matter the law will be different, the punishment will be different. But if A also killed for their own interest and B also killed for the same interest, then the punishment should be that it should be equal. The government cannot see, the law cannot see that A is represent to some celebrities or some political that leaders family, or B is just a poor family. So these things will not be happen anywhere else. Okay, so this is called rule of law and equality before the law. Now next one is talking about state protection given to India. See, UNO Declaration on the Human Rights that that marriage can be take place only with the free and full assent of the spouse. दो व्यक्ति के समझदारी, दो व्यक्ति के सहमति के साथ ही एक मैरिज हो सकता है. इफ़ द पर्सन बोथ आर द adult and only there if they are agree with that thing, then only the marriage will be happen, otherwise the marriage cannot be take place. So it is totally they are giving freedom to make their family. Not only that, the state also give the freedom to protect that the freedom of the family. So state always take care of that each and every family will be in a protected way, and no one will be that they are not misusing by anyone. So the family's freedom will be protected by the state, and if a person, both the person if are ready, those who are adult, then only with their concern only they can get married. So this is called the state protection given to family. Right to petition, from the word I hope you understand that what is right to petition. Okay, so the petition means that to apply. Petition means to apply. So the citizen should have the right to draw attention government towards the genuine grievances. Now what is that? Now suppose that when you are living in the society and you have a genuine issues in front of you, then you have the total right to go to the court or go to the police station or any government area and can appeal to that. If I am giving you example, right, अगर आपके लोकेलिटी में वाटर सप्लाई नहीं है या फिर आपके लोकेलिटी में इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का कुछ इश्यूज चल रहा है बहुत दिनों से, so you have as using your civil rights, you have total that have the right to go to the electricity department, to go to the municipality and to give that to complain, to register a complaint with the with the right to petition, that you have this kind of genuine issues in your locality, and you all that you can attain, you can focus, you can that आप गवर्नमेंट का टेंशन अपनी और ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं, अपनी लोकेलिटी की तरफ ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं थ्रू द एप्लीकेशन और थ्रू रजिस्टरिंग द कंप्लेंट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ पिटिशन. ओके, आई होप यू ऑल क्लियर्ड अबाउट दिस वन. Next one is talking about the privacy of correspondence. Now what is that? If someone is trapping your phone or someone is that reading your messages, private messages, so did you like that? No, absolutely not. So for that reason our law gives some privacy to each and every citizen, that no one can be that they can be trapped their telephonic message, no one can that they are that they are giving interference into the telegraphic communication. So every person of the citizen they have a right of privacy. So every person, the law, they are that they are take care about towards their private life. But yes, of course, that does not mean that if that a group will that they are connected with some wrong activity, so in that matter the police will not that not doing this kind of thing. So it is not like that. In a normal genuine sense, if you are not doing any kind of wrong things, or if you that against yours nothing will be there, then no one can be that they are maintaining, the government are maintaining the privacy of your life. Next one, this you all very well known, or that very well used to with these words, that is freedom of speech, expressions, assemblies, demonstrations, and that association also. So that laws are should be protected the freedom of speech. As a citizen of India, आप अगर एक सोसाइटी में रहते हैं या किसी भी कंट्री में रहते हैं, ये आपका पूरा अधिकार है टू एज अ सिटीजन ऑफ इंडिया, दैट अगर आप यू इफ़ यू that you have to express yourself, then you can express by your speech. अगर आपको कोई मीटिंग करना है तो आप एक असेंबली गैदर कर सकते हैं, लेकिन वो असेंबली या वो डेमो जो आप देना चाहते हैं या फिर जो समझाना चाहते हैं वो पीसफुली होना चाहिए, कोई भी गलत इरादों से या गलत काम that activities से नहीं होना चाहिए. And if you wanted to make a group, you also have the right to make a group also. Not only that, if some person wanted to be that they provided self-containment to individuals, and so they can do that. If they wanted to live alone, they can do that. If someone is saying that they wanted to that participated in the decision making process, so they also have the right to do that. So basically, as a citizen of India, you have lots of rights to talk, to express your viewpoint, to gather the group, or to make the group, to gather the that groups and demonstrate your that whatever you want to do. You can live in a self-contained zones, or you can also have the the state can that strong your ability of individual, so that you can be participate in the process of decision making. So it's also up to you. Okay, next one is talking about inviolability of homes. That means that कोई भी आपके that मर्जी के बिना आपके घर में without your permission cannot be entered into your home. Okay, so if someone is wanted to enter into your home, then they need some proper permission either from you or from the court. So no one can be forcefully can in a forcefully ground, no one can enter into your home without your consent. So this right also given as a citizen. Okay, so I hope you get and understand about these types of right, that is the civil right. In my next video I will explain one more type of the right, that is that economic right, and as well as I will talk about the social and religion right. So stay tuned with my channel so that you will understand the whole parts of this chapter. I hope you will understand with a clear idea, and thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my videos, please do share, subscribe and like my channel. Thank you so much.